Hello, David here, and the project for today is making stuffing to stuff a turkey. It's November and we're stuffing a turkey for Thanksgiving, and if you're watching this in July it's going to seem silly, but just remember Thanksgiving is always right around the corner. So I'm going to start off with two 12-ounce packages of cube stuffing. I like to use a seasoned stuffing, and you can certainly use any brand you want. I've got a classic and a country style. Classic herb season and a country style cube. I'm going to add that last so it doesn't get too waterlogged. Next I have 4 stalks of celery sliced. I've got 2 6-ounce cans of sliced mushrooms. Don't be fooled, these are run through the food processor on the grating blade. I've got 2 onions shredded in the food processor. And I've got 1 green pepper shredded in the food processor. Add 3 eggs, beaten within an inch of their lives. About those mushrooms, you can certainly use fresh mushrooms. I think fresh mushrooms would taste a lot better. I just use the canned mushrooms just for the convenience. Next, add 8 tablespoons of butter. I'm using margarine. And then stir it all up. 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. That'll be 4 of these teaspoon thingies. Did I mention I like a lot of garlic? Yeah. Next step is to add the breadcrumbs. And stir that in really well. You might want to taste it to see if it needs any seasoning for your suitability. And then after this, just put it in the bird and you're ready to go. Just cook it at your normal temperature for cooking a turkey based on the weight of the turkey. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from davidgpo. Hey, here's some bonus footage. I forgot a step. Package says to add 2 cups of chicken broth. So for 2 packages, that would be 4 cups of chicken broth. And I happen to have a can of chicken consomme. I'm going to add that and then a little bit of water, because I noticed this was way too dry. It will be picking up a lot of juices from the turkey when it's cooking in the turkey, but this is still way too dry. Put a little more. I have water now. That's looking a little better. Should I add some more water? Consensus is yes. Okay, now I could end this video. So long.